Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's lecture, again we are going to learn about the calculations of the formal charges by using the different molecules or the polyatomic ions one. Now let us consider the second example, that is of our sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Okay. Now we know that this sulfuric acid molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atom, 1 sulfur and the 4 oxygen atom. Whenever we have to calculate the formal charge, we must draw the Lewis structure of this sulfuric acid. So let us draw the Lewis structure of this sulfuric acid. H, okay, then O, at the center we are going sulfur, and again to the terminal the 4 oxygen atom. Now we know that I am going to show the lone pair of electron on the each oxygen atom here and the bonding pair. So now let us show the bonding pair between the sulfur and the oxygen, the bonding pair between the sulfur and the oxygen, and the remaining 3 lone pair of electrons on the each oxygen atom. Okay, so this is the Lewis structure of your sulfuric acid as in such manner: HO, HO, O, S, O, O. So this is the representation of your Lewis structure of your sulfuric acid also. Okay, now and we will give the numbering: number to sulfur, second number to oxygen atom, third number to this oxygen atom, 4, 5th, 6th and 7. Okay, you can give the numbering to the hydrogen atom. For our convenience we are simply giving the numbering. Let us find out the formal charge on the sulfur, okay, which is marked as a number 1, marked as number 1. So again the same thing, we have to first of all find out the value of VE, then NE and then BE. So before this one, let us find out the total number of valence electron on the sulfur. Sulfur atomic number 16, its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p4. Okay, so the valence shell is this one, that is 3s and 3p. Total number of valence electron will be equals to 6. So here the total number of valence electrons on sulfur, that is VE, will be equals to 6. Okay, then next the total number of non-bonding electrons or the lone pair of electrons, non-bonding electrons, that is Ne equals to 0, as there is no any lone. Okay, then next see the total number of bonding electrons, that is Be, will be equals to, now there is a 4 bond which is formed by the sulfur atom, therefore total valence electron will be equal to 8. Okay, then again by applying the formula we can find out the formal charge on the sulfur one, that is Fc equals to Ve minus Ne minus 1 by 2 into Be. Okay, so again put this value and find out the answer one. So Ve will be equals to 0.6. okay, valence electron equals to 6, non-bonding electron equals to 0.0, 1 by 2 into bonding electron equals to 0.8, therefore 6 minus 4, which is equals to plus 2. So the formal charge on the sulfur equals to +2. Therefore the formal charge on sulfur atom equals to +2. That's it. Okay, now we will find out the formal charge on this oxygen atom, which is mark number 2. So calculation of formal charge on the oxygen atom marked number 2. Okay, now again in the similar manner we have to again find out the values for this one. Oxygen atomic number 8, its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, then 2p4. That's it. Okay, so total number of valence electron Ve equals to 6. Okay, so now in this manner again we are going to write down all these terms. Now you follow this pattern. Now I am going to directly find out the formal charge on the oxygen atom by taking all these value in the short one, but you just follow this pattern for each example. So here Ve will be equals to 6. That's it. Okay, non-bonding electron will be equals to, now let us find out the non-bonding electron will be equals to, how many non-bonding electrons on the oxygen atom, which is mark number 2, 1, 2, 3 lone pair. That means total will be the 6 non-bonding electrons. Then what about the bonding electron? Only one bond, therefore bonding electron will be equals to 2. Okay, now again write down the formula, that is Fc equals to Ve minus Ne minus 1/2 into Be. Okay, so that will become out to be as Ve 06 minus 06 minus 1/2 into 2, so that will be the -1. Okay, after the whole calculations the answer will become out to be -1. Therefore the formal charge on oxygen atom, mark number 2 equals to -1. Okay, so this is mark number 2. Now in the similar manner we can find out the formal charge on the oxygen atom, which is mark number 3. So let us find out. Third, the formal charge on oxygen atom mark number 3, which is equals to, okay, again just find out the value. We know that valence electron on the oxygen atom equals to 6. Non-bonding electrons for this oxygen atom again will be equals to 6. Okay, and the bonding electron again equals to bonding electrons, that is equals to 2. Okay, now again by applying the formula, that is Ve minus Ne minus 1/2 into Be, and that is equals to 06 minus 06 minus 1/2 into B equals to 2, and that will become out to be as an answer -1. So again you just write down the formal charge on the oxygen atom. The formal charge on the oxygen atom mark number 3 will be equals to -1. Okay, so here we have find out the formal charges on the sulfur and the 2 oxygen atom. Okay, now this one and this one, just find out the formal charges on this oxygen atom, which is mark number 4 and mark number 5, along with the each hydrogen atom, which is mark number 6 and mark number 7, and then you are going to write the Lewis structure of your H2SO4 along with its formal charges one. So I expected this from you. Now see here, let us calculate the formal charge on the oxygen atom, which is mark number 4 in your H2SO4. Now here the electronic configuration of oxygen atom will be equals to 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So total number of valence electron equals to 6. The total number of non-bonding electron equals to 4, and the total number of bonding electron equals to 4. You can observe in the structure. So by putting this value in the formula, that is Fc equals to VE minus Ne minus 1 by 2 into Be. Put this value, that is 6 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4, which will come out to be 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. So the formal charge on the oxygen atom, which is mark number 4, will have the charge 0, that is, this is a chargeless atom. Now again, let's calculate the formal charge on the oxygen atom, which is mark number 5. Here electronic configuration of oxygen atom will be equals to 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So total number of valence electron equals to 6, total number of non-bonding electron will be equals to 4, and the total number of bonding electron equals to again 4. So by putting this value in the formula, that is Fc equals to VE minus Ne minus 1 by 2 into Be, which will be equals to 6 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4. So that will be the 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. So the oxygen atom mark number 5 will have a formal charge 0, that is, it is a chargeless atom. Now let us calculate the formal charge on the hydrogen atom, which is mark number 6. Now here electronic configuration of your hydrogen atom will be equals to 1s1. So total number of valence electron will be equals to 1. The total number of non-bonding electron equals to 0. The total number of bonding electron will be equals to 2. So by putting this value in the formula, Fc equals to VE minus Ne minus 1 by 2 into Be. So here 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2, which will come out to be 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So the formal charge on the hydrogen atom, which is mark number 6, will have a 0 charge, that is, it is the chargeless atom. Now let us calculate the formal charge on the hydrogen atom, which is mark number 7. Again the electronic configuration will be 1s1. So the total number of valence electron will be equals to 1. The total number of non-bonding electron will be equals to 0. The total number of bonding electron will be equals to 2. So by putting this value in the formula, Fc equals to VE minus Ne minus 1 by 2 into Be. So that is 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2, which is equals to 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So the charge on the hydrogen atom will be equals to 0, that is, it is the chargeless atom. Now see the representation of Lewis structure of H2SO4 molecule. Now here you can observe that the sulfur have the +2 charge, the 2 oxygen atom have the -1 charge, while the 2 remaining oxygen atom is a chargeless, which is having a 0 charge, and the 2 hydrogen atom is again chargeless, which is having the 0 charge.